Hi, my name is Leah Morrison, and I love spreading fun and happiness through art. And in this class, we will be painting a pop art style kitten using acrylic paint as our medium. Other than being a stay-at-home mom, I'm an art instructor for both in-person and live-stream paint party classes. I own a mobile painting party entertainment service called Paint Me a Party, based in Los Angeles, California. For those who are not familiar with painting parties or paint and sip parties, it is a combination of an art class and a gathering of a group of partying people who are instructed to paint the same image while they drink, snack, and socialize with each other. I will show you the step-by-step process on how we can create this beautiful painting from beginning to end. No prior experience necessary. This class is great for beginners as well as seasoned artists who would like to brush up on their painting skills. In the next video, we will cover the basic structure of our kitten and use a certain style of strokes to achieve that pop art or psychedelic look. We will go over blending colors and adding details to give our little kitten those gleaming eyes. At the end of this class, you'll be amazed on how well you can paint with basic student-grade art materials. For your class project, I'd love for you to follow along just like how we would do it live streaming or in person. Remember to press pause when you need to catch up. That is something we can't do while we are live streaming. So let's get some wine, cheese, crackers, and get this painting party started.